Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you a new kit. It's a calendar journal book. It's a 2024 calendar book, fabric book, and only have one available. So this is something I made for the cover page. Okay. This is the calendar is from Pinterest that I found this, and this one. What I did is I make the tag is 2024 calendar journal, so you can here have the hook. You can use the pin to hang this. Also if you want to stick here, you can cut it out. Okay, this is the calendar that I provide into the kit that I will show you. And I make the pocket like so, and I sew it. This is the pocket, so you can put the tag, any the planner card or whatever you like, so you can use this to decorate the book. Okay, now I'll show you the book first. For the book, I didn't sew it and also didn't glue, because I just leave it so you can see how you want to play with this book. So you have this linen, it's a cotton table runner. Okay, and I also purchased this image from Etsy shop. I will pop a link below the description box. If you are interested to buy the images. Okay, and I use this embroidery hanky. So like this, make a pocket like so. So haven't glue it. So if you want, you can glue it. So you can put the tag inside here, and also another page for this book. Okay, another printable for what I get from Etsy shop. So if you want, you can glue this onto this table runner, another table runner here. So I print out this, another one. Okay, another hanky, haven't glued it, so you can make a pocket here if you want and glue together, so you can take the pocket here. Another page here, another print out, and this is my I crochet this one. So include here, so you can glue it together if you want, and this one also you can glue it together here, like so. And this is another big doily. It's a quite large, it's like a cushion size, but I fold it here, so you can make a pocket here if you want. You can glue it or sew it. So we got this one, because this is quite big size. You can see it's big doily, so you can fold it here to make a pocket. Okay, so another this embroidery fabric, hanky, so you can make another page and glue this here, and cut it half, and another half is you can glue it here. See how you can do it with this. Okay, and another print out, so you can glue onto the fabric. Pocket here, another page, so you can cut it up and glue one side here or here. So altogether you get enough for 12 months, the pages. So okay, so another pocket page here, so you can make like this, and this one yeah, so just follow your way to arrange how do you decide to use the page, how to decorate the page, and all this is the item for you to play with, and this is the book. Okay, and okay, oops. Okay, this is the book, and I hang this flower here. Okay, this is the pocket. Yeah, if you want to, you can use this into the inside page, and this is what I just show you. Okay, and for the items, other items that you will receive from the kit is on this calendar, and you will have 2 sets of calendar that I print out on the fabric. On top is the fabric and underneath is the paper, so I really glue it. So we have 12 months here. Another set is, and I also purchased this from Etsy shop. So this is the larger one, big size one. So follow your way, which you prefer to use for your fabric book. So you also have 12 months. I also print on the fabric, and underneath is the paper. So you have 2 sets, okay? And also print out some of the tag card in the cardstock, so you can use it into your project. And also I print out all these onto the fabric. Is the lady in images that I use it for the dress calendar kit. So you have 12 different images that I already fussy cut it out, and underneath you can just add another layer of fabric or paper. Because this is just a fabric, so if you want it more stiff or what, so you can just use the cardstock or fabric layer underneath, or felt. Okay, let me to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and 11 and 12. Yes, all here 12. And also I think this is quite cute because it's a vintage lady hand with the roses that I found this on Pinterest. So I already fussy cut it out, so you can use this to just glue onto your bow and tuck the cut in, just like hold the cut. So it's turn out beautiful. Let me to show you what. Okay, see, you can use this to hold the calendar. Just follow your way, but this is just one of my idea. If you hold the calendar, because both sides is different, you can choose. Hold the calendar. Just follow your way. Okay, this is the order tag card, and I will put this into the plastic bag first. Okay. And also with this this one I should put this together. This is the monthly tag that I already put in the paint. June, February, 12 months here. So I will add one more this flower, and I will put all these I print out on the fabric, so I put this together with this. Okay, so you have this. So all the laces here is some almost the same with the dresses calendar kit, because I want to include this. So you have all this also, and this is the buckles that I intend to, if you can use this for the closure, but you have to put on top of the laces, so you can extend the size, because when this one you add something inside, it will be more thick and bulky. So yeah, you can adjust. They see how you can play with use this one. Yeah, you have to add on to the laces and glue on the book. See, okay, so you have this buckle here, so it's beautiful. So I will put here. Okay, and also the flowers, you have many of different of the flowers. Let me show you, but this is more than enough for you to decorate your book, because I put so many here with this matching color, so you can use all this flower to decorate your book. Okay, and let me to put that inside and show you other items. And okay, so got all this here, beautiful flower color with this kit, and some laces, and yeah, some is the same with the dress kit, but this I will include 2 yards each pattern. Okay, so you have more than enough for you. And this also, some is the same with the dress kit, but some with different laces. All is 2 yards. So yeah, some is different. This one is the new, and this one is also the new one. Other is some is the same one, but all is 2 yards. So everything here is enough for you to decorate your book. So the color is beautiful. So I won't open this, and because everything is ready. Roll nicely and pack nicely, so you can use all this to do your project. Okay, that's it. All this item is for this calendar journal book. So yeah, that is only have one. So yeah, who interested, just stop by to my Facebook kit group and message me, or stop by to my Etsy shop to leave me a comment, the message, so I will let you know the price and the shipping for this kit. Okay, and hope you all like this, and happy new year to everyone, and bye bye, and take care.